Welcome back, guys. It's Fun Place. We're so excited today. We have all these stress and splat balls. Let's learn colors. Look at all the different ones we have. First, let's start with this green stress ball. These are so cool because they have a different color inside. But first, we gotta squeeze it to see what color it is. What color do you guys think it is? Let's see.
Wow.
Oh, it's so cool. It's orange. Orange, green. This is so much fun. Green again. Now let's try this purple one. I wonder what color's inside after we squeeze it. Let's find out. Oh, it's pink. It's such a pretty color. It's so bright. Purple. Again. Let's do the blue ball. Let's see what color's inside. Whoa! I like this color. It's green. Green. Blue. Whoa, that's amazing. They look like grapes. Blue. This is our last stress ball. This one is red. Let's check out the color inside. It's yellow. Red. It's kind of like a greenish yellow. And red. One more time. Now we have all these cool splat balls. Let's start with this green one. It's so happy. Look at its big teeth. Whoa, look at how big it looks. These are nice and squishy and very stretchy. Okay, now let's see it splat. Look how it sticks. Now let's check out our purple splat ball. It has little band-aids in its mouth. I think it's sick. Are you okay? Look at how stretchy and wobbly. Okay, time to see it splat. How about this red one? It's sad. What's wrong, little red splat ball? Are you sad because nobody's played with you? Okay. We'll splat you in a minute. Look how transparent it is when you squeeze it. You can see right through it. Okay, don't be sad anymore. Time to splat you. Happy face, you're next. We have this cool yellow smiley face. Look at how stretchy it is. This one's also very transparent. You can see inside. Here we go. Okay, who's next?
Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit.
Oh, it's our green frog splash ball.
Ribbit, ribbit.
Do you want to get splat, little frog?
Ribbit, 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 ribbit.
Okay, here we go. Last we have our yellow silly ball. Let's see how big its tongue gets. Whoa, that's pretty big. And wobbly. Look at its eyes. Whoa. Okay, time to splat you. Now let's splat all of them. Whoa, this is so much fun. How about we group the colors? Let's start with the purple ones. We have 1, 2 purples. Next we have 1, 2, 3 greens. Here are 1, 2 reds. Now we have 1, 2 yellows, and there's only 1 blue one. That's it for today, guys. It was so much fun playing and learning colors. Thank you. Bye. If you enjoy our videos and want to join our family, please hit the blue circle here and hit the red button to subscribe. If you want to watch more videos, click here for this video. Or you can click here for this one, or up here for this one.